According to latest information on the $20 billion MRFA project, the Indian Air Force held meetings with the foreign vendors and asked them about the way they would carry out the MRFA project. As per the plan, 18 aircraft will be directly imported from the selected foreign vendor, after which the next 36 aircraft would be manufactured in India, and the payments would be made partially in foreign currency and Indian currency. The last 60 aircraft would be the main responsibility of the Indian partner, and the government would make payments only in Indian currency. That will help the vendors to achieve the over 60% Make in India content in the project. 3 American fighter jets, 1 French and 1 Swedish fighter jet are in the race for the MRFA deal. The Aero Engine Research and Design Center of Hindustan Aeronautics has released a tender for the design and consultancy services for establishing F-404 engine testbed and modular change workshop building at the Naliya Air Force Station in Gujarat, and F-404 engine testbed building at the Kanpur Air Force Station in UP, F-404 module change workshop building at the Bikaner Air Force Station in Rajasthan. The establishment of F-404 engine testbed will help to maintain the current F-404 engines of 40 Tejas Mk1 variant and upcoming 83 Tejas Mk1A. Hindustan Aeronautics has managed to deliver 6 FOC Tejas Mk1 fighters in the last fiscal year, and has delivered a total of 31 Tejas aircraft that forms the first 2 squadrons. The Indian Air Force Chief has confirmed that the first lot of Tejas trainer aircraft will be delivered by March 2023, and the remaining lot in mid-2023, thus completing deliveries of first 40 Mark 1 variant ordered by the Air Force. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Israel Aerospace Industries have started the process to find suitable used Boeing 767 airframes at low cost to perform its conversion into multi-mission tanker transport. The Indian Air Force is working with Hindustan Aeronautics to decide the final configuration for the first 6 units, and the Air Force might have to procure 18 more units that can be configured for troop movement and cargo transfers. A 10-year-old Boeing 767 aircraft will cost around $90 million, while a 20-year-old aircraft will cost $65 million, and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Israel Aerospace Industries will replace and upgrade all major parts of the structure, wiring and systems, and will equip new engines and new military-grade avionics. Amid concerns in India over possible delays in the supply of major military hardware by Russia, the Russian ambassador Denis Alipov has said that Russia had delivered the first regiment of the S400 system in December 2021, and also began supplying the second regiment in April 2022. The S400 system has already been deployed in such a way that it can cover parts of the border with China in the northern sector as well as the frontier with Pakistan. At the first ever India-European Union Security and Defence consultations held in Brussels, India and the European Union have discussed increasing maritime security cooperation and the prospect of co-development and co-production of defence equipment. The two sides also discussed implementation of the European Code of Conduct on arms export to India's neighbourhood.